According to predictions, Samsung Electronics' next-generation strategic smartphone, the Galaxy S25, would likely have its mobile application processor, the Exynos 2500 AP. The Exynos 2500 yield is presently above 40%, and Samsung intends to improve the yield in the final chipset by August, according to IT tips star Panda Flash in the information technology business on August 26. However, the yield has to be at least 60% in order to begin mass manufacturing. Lately, several experts have conjectured that Samsung Electronics would use all Qualcomm processors in its next Galaxy S25 series of crucial smartphones. This is because the Exynos 2500, which is made by Samsung utilizing their 3nm and *1 billionth of a meter technology, has a poor yield. Additionally, there were rumors in the Chinese media that the Exynos 2500 yield was barely 20%. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the Exynos 2500, in Samsung's opinion, should be included in the Galaxy S25 series. The System LSI division, which oversees Samsung Electronics AP business, first shown a revival with the Exynos 2400 AP insulator in the Galaxy S24 series. It will also be beneficial to negotiate a price with Qualcomm. It is understood that Qualcomm will increase the price of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 by 25% to 30% over its predecessor when it is announced at the Snapdragon Sub in October. Taking into account that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 now costs between $190 and $200. $237.05 to $260 are the price range for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. As a consequence, there has been speculation that Samsung Electronics is contemplating using Taiwan's MediaTek Dimensity processor in the Galaxy S25 series alongside the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500. Will Samsung continue to contemplate utilizing a MediaTek DMA chip in the Galaxy S25 series in addition to the Exynos and Qualcomm alternatives, or will they concentrate on only two processors, if they are able to improve the Exynos 2500 yield to more than 60% by August? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.